Okay, here's an example of how the NanoVNA is useful for a single port measurement like SWR or Smith chart or something. I've got it calibrated for a single port. Over here is a controller for my phased verticals, northwest, southeast, or broadside. So we're going to make use of that and focus in on the software on the screen and see what happens as I change directions on this antenna. So we've got the phased verticals plugged into the NanoVNA and nothing else. Now let me get this set up. Hang on. Alright, here's what it looks like. We're currently pointed northwest and I'm looking at SWR versus frequency. The horizontal, the frequency starts at 6.9 megahertz and goes up to 7.5. You might be able to see 3 colored markers on the trace, red, green, and blue, that correspond to the 40 meter band, beginning, middle, and end. And this is the antenna pointed northwest. I'm going to flip the switch now and turn it to southeast. Oh, and by the way, the vertical scale is SWR from 1.0 to 3 to 1. Alright, that's northwest. I just turned the switch to southeast. And it'll take a minute for it to grab all the points and smooth things out. But you can see roughly the same kind of curve there. A little bit higher SWR. Again, all the data points to the left of the graph are telling me what the SWR is at each one of those markers, what the complex impedance is, you know, what the return loss is, whatever you want to know. There, I just lost a connection, a relay connection out there. I'm going to work this back and forth a couple of times to get it to lock in. There we go, southeast. Now I'll go back to northwest. Virtually the same. Back to southeast. And now the broadside figure 8 pattern, which looks quite a bit different from the end fire patterns. So broadside, southeast, northwest. Okay, let me pause this for a second and hopefully I can show you something else on the display here. Hang on. Okay, down in the lower left corner down here, there's a display setup tab, and if you click on that, it'll give you a choice of up to 6 different charts that can be displayed at once. So right now I've got SWR set up there, and just to give you an idea, let me put a Smith chart up instead. There's the Smith chart in the northwest direction. Here comes southeast. And here comes broadside. So broadside, southeast, and back to northwest. Okay. Also available is SWR and Smith chart at the same time. Let me find that. Here we go. So there's the same SWR chart we had before, plus the Smith chart. And now I can add, let's try R plus JX. R plus JX. The black line is the R. The imaginary is the purple. I think that's the way I got it set up. And let's add one more here. Maybe, oh, I don't know. Return loss. That's a good one. That's directly related to SWR. So you can have any one of these or all of these or even two more available at the same time. And again, the data over here is all corresponds to the markers. And let me go back here one more time to just the SWR chart. So let me turn all these other ones off. Okay. And wanted to show you one more thing. Down here, it'll give you minimum and maximum values for whatever graph that you're looking at. And there's also an analysis tab that will find the 6 dB and 60 dB cutoff frequencies for a 2-port measurement and all kinds of other neat stuff. So that point is this software is pretty powerful. Anyway, that's a longer than expected demo of a single port measurement antenna style here with the NanoVNA. So for less than $50 and free software download, it's absolutely amazing, incredible tool, and I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. So there you go. Keep tinkering. See y'all later.